Hey, have I been slack or what? This video was nearly finished a few months ago when it was way warmer. Here we are sitting in the rain at Masterton months later. No better time to finish this video and get on with the next chapter of the Oldies adventures. Let's do this. I'm Rob and together with Raewyn we're still cruising our beautiful Aotearoa in our fifth wheeler looking for new places and new adventures. In this episode we have rain, more rain and some rain. We get to explore Te Aroha. Some amazing stuff there, bike rides, hot pools, museums and much more. I set up my new Neo 2 drone ready for a play, yeah, more toys. We head to Ngongotaha, do a little dump run for Vic, a school trip with Bennah, a new sofa bed, what a bloody mission that was. Some good stuff for the bikes. Don't you just love TEMU? That'll do, just come along and check it out. Oh boy, it was a great start when on our first lunch stop we drove into some very soft, thick, fine metal. Four-wheel drive and the throttle control into off-road mode and it wasn't a problem, we just slowly crawled out. The beautiful Hauraki Gorge with its banks scoured out by the last storm. Not us, that's us. Not long at the Te Aroha NZMCA and we're off to check out the wetlands walk. And look at that, we've got the NZMCA park over there, freedom camping over there, pump track there, and go down here to a nice wetland walk, and way up on the hill there you can see the Eiffel Tower. Some very cool walks here, watch out for the rabbit holes. That one there goes into town, and here we go to the wetland walk. Oh yeah, oh look at this. Gotta keep Raewyn under control. Through here is the freedom camping area. Oh, big field. And feeders, I like feeders. Wouldn't this be scary walking through here at night? Oh, I thought we were going for a 2-day walk. I'll tell you what, even if I bought my togs, I would not swim in there. It's smelly. Around the wetlands, there's several birds. Just there you heard the call of the rectum warbler. Time to set up the new Neo 2 drone. Woohoo! Bound to be time for a play. Time to get the bikes out and hit the Hauraki Trail. This time towards Matata as opposed to Pyro as we did last time. Hey there, can you squeeze past there?
Right then, slowly I will.
Yeah.
I haven't got the confidence to ride past, eh?
Oh,
you're good. Yeah.
Good.
Go.
Thank you. Hey there.
Hey, which way are you heading?
Well, trying to find the trail towards Matata. Thank you. And a bit of a cheery wave and a thumbs up will go good.
Hi Rob, hi Raewyn. I miss you.
Hi there. So much history along the trail, always something to read or look at. Love the metalwork all around Te Aroha. We were going to stop for a well-deserved coffee somewhere. Although the foundry had a good review, we carried on. Now won't you just check out the Neo 2 drone shots, damn impressive. The follow modes are so damn impressive. Love how the drone just recognises your palm out and it'll just gently come back and land in it. Awesome. Yeah boy, it was coffee time. We stopped at a cafe called Cafe 77. A big mistake. We saw the food and we indulged. Now we're too bloody full to carry on. We headed back to base.
This is my one, and that's Raewyn's one.
We're pretty impressed with Cafe 77. Even had a climbing wall for the kids. Drone fun. Okay, it was not a big ride, but hey, I still deserved a beer. Yeah, just gotta love Te Aroha with all its quaint shops, and the metal art is fantastic. So much cool metal art. Now this is a real hardware store.
I like these shops. This is the man shop, see? It's got all sorts of stuff for men and boys.
Funny, not on our youth though. A visit to the historic hot pools and museum, a definite must for visitors.
This is my worst nightmare. We're breaking camp from the Te Aroha NZMCA camp. And look at the day, man, what a miserable day to break camp. We're heading to the Matata dump station first and then to Aotearoa.
After thinking we escaped the rain at Te Aroha, look what we encountered at Ngongotaha. Bloody hell. Started looking at our failed gas heater. We've got to keep warm. After a few days at Ngongotaha, I was off to one of our favourites, Aotearoa Sandspit, at the northern end of the Matata Strait. I just love the Level Mate Pro. And it's time to try out the new Neo 2 drone. The gesture control is amazing. The dolly zoom is cool, and the standard circle shots are just as cool. There's so much to play with. Keep an eye out for some great drone shots. Helping out with school trips is always fun, and Bennah's school trip to the historic Elms Homestead, the Mission Cemetery and the site of the Battle of Gate Pa is just no exception. A photo taken from this very spot, a totally different outlook now. The tour of the homestead and the grounds would have given the students a great understanding of the colonisation of Aotearoa and the way of life in those days. We showed Bennah the grave of her great-great-grandfather's infant son in the Mission Cemetery. We're not too sure why he's buried there. The story of the Battle of Gate Pa was so interesting, highlighting the trench warfare that was later used in World War I. Amazing. Yep, there's always something to do. While at Aotearoa, we replaced our deteriorating bed sofa. A bit of a mission, but we're so pleased with the result. Loving the walks on the beach, especially when you find lots of good shit in the flotsam and jets.
Oh, look, when you have some flotsam and jets and you find some sinkers on the beach. Oh, what a winner. Put it in the shoe. And there's another one. Ooh, moment, look at that. Woo.
Okay friends, let's stop the video there. We have a shitload to catch up on. We moved to Matata Dock, watch a bit of futsal. We have some visitors at Matata, a bit of work on Alan Merle's caravan and Noopsie with the ute, a wedding and Octotopo to a special event at a special place. Hope you can join us for the next part of our journey. Thanks so much for watching. And hey, a thumbs up and a comment is always appreciated. But wait, make sure the comment is a good one though. See yous down the road.